Hey there everyone, trying frontline animal removal. Let's look at our perpetrator. Wakey wakey, there's the perpetrator. That's where he broke into the building. So as you can tell, this is a pole building, and usually with these pole buildings they have either wood, steel, or vinyl siding. Then typically at the bottom of the pole building there is some sort of wooden barrier that usually is kind of half buried in the ground. Right there we have the concrete pier that the pole building's sitting on, and then you can see part of the wood is rotted away, and then Mr. Raccoon has figured out that they can go up through here, and then there's a wooden post here that goes all the way to the top. So they go through the hole, they climb the wooden post all the way up, and then they lay and sleep in the soffits up above. So what are we going to do? Trap the raccoons and get the hole fixed, and that should solve the problem. Trap set right in front of the hole because everything's going there. So when it comes to trapping, it's location, location, location. Thank you.